Safety starts with the hands. In both medical and industrial environments, gloves are the first line of defense. But not all gloves offer the same level of protection. That's why Nitrile has become the preferred choice across industries. Nitrile gloves are built to perform under pressure. They resist punctures better than vinyl and don't carry the allergy risks associated with latex. This makes them safer for both workers and patients. In medical settings, precision is critical. Nitrile provides a close fit and strong tactile sensitivity, allowing professionals to work accurately while staying protected. In industrial environments, the demands are different, but just as intense. Exposure to oils, chemicals, and abrasive materials requires gloves that won't break down easily. Nitrile delivers that durability. Grip plays a major role in safety. Many Nitrile gloves include textured surfaces, helping workers maintain control even in wet or oily conditions. And comfort matters more than most think. Gloves that feel right stay on longer, reducing risk and improving focus. Reliable, durable, and versatile, Nitrile gloves offer the protection professionals depend on every day. Because when safety can't fail, the choice becomes clear.